Hello everybody and welcome to the Academia Hargeisa Universalis School of Mathematics. I'm Mustafa Aw-Abdii and I am the Chancellor for Somaliland's first international online and YouTube university based in Hargeisa on the outskirts of Hargeisa, Somaliland's capital city. And for the first lecture for the school since the 2026 Winter Olympics at London on Sunday, I will be the lecturer for mathematical analysis with summarized and rigorous branch of mathematics studying continuous change, limits, infinite series and structures, providing the theoretical foundation for calculus. It focuses on proofs regarding real complex numbers and functions, including information, integration, and metric theory, key applications including physics, economics, and numerical explanation. For more info on the university, follow me to YouTube, write down the comments below, ring the notifications bell, subscribe and click the like button so you know what it is, and enjoy the lecture. Analysis is a branch of mathematics dealing with continuous functions, limits and related theories for the separation, integration, measure, infinite sequences, series, and analytic functions. These theories are usually studied in context of real complex numbers and functions. Analysis evolved from calculus, which evolved analytic concepts and data analysis. Analysis may be distinguished from geometry. However, it can apply to any space of mathematical objects that has the definition of nearest algebraic space, a infinite object, a metric space.